In this video, I will show you how to disable all RSS atom RDF fields on your WordPress website. So search this plugin, disable fields, then install. Then activate this plugin. So this is the easy to use, famous and popular plugin to disable all type of feeds like RSS, atom, RDF. And as we can see here, already 40,000 plus active installation and also good rating. So give a try to this plugin, and if you are facing any problem or if you need any type of help, so comment. I will create a new video about this one. So thanks for watching. This is the short and basic video. Today we learn how to disable all RSS atom RDF feeds. Thanks for watching.